Assalamu alaikum children. Today we are going to do English literature. We are going to study our reader, The Elves and the Shoemaker, and we are going to read page number 14 to 17. Let's read page 14 and 15 first. Okay, what do you see in the picture? You see the shoemaker, the shoemaker's wife, a rich woman. She is holding the shoe, the beautiful shoe that was made by someone. There is a cat also in their picture. Now let's read page number 14. Later on, a rich woman came into the shop and she saw the shoes. "These are the most beautiful shoes in the world," she said, and she gave the shoemaker 3 gold coins. Okay, so when the shoes were made, a rich woman comes to the shoemaker's shop and she sees the shoes and picks them up, and she says that they are the most beautiful shoes in the world, and she pays the shoemaker 3 gold coins. Okay, what do you have for your classwork today? We have studied the picture on page number 15 and 14, and your first task is to describe the picture. Look at the picture on page 14 and 15, identify the animal in the picture and describe the picture in 3 to 4 lines. Now, how are you going to write the picture description? In the picture, we can see the shoemaker, his wife and their cat. Then a rich woman comes to the shop. She picks up a pair of shoes. She says that they are the most beautiful shoes in the world. She gives 3 gold coins to the shoemaker. These are the questions that helped us write the picture description. Who came to the shop? What did she pick up? What did she say when she looked at the shoes? What did the lady give to the shoemaker? Okay, now exercise B is fill in the blanks with the suitable words from the block. Okay, so this is the block and you have to choose the words from here. The shoemaker cut the dash and left it in the shop. That is leather. The next morning the shoemaker was surprised to see a pair of shoes. Pair of dash shoes, beautiful shoes. The shoemaker called his dash and asked about the shoes. The shoemaker called his wife. One day a dash lady came to buy the shoes. A rich lady came to buy the shoes. The lady gave the shoemaker 3 dash coins, 3 gold coins. Okay, complete your task. Now the reader, page number 16 and 17. Let's read this page, but as we do the reading of this page, we have to see the picture also and we have to identify the nouns also. Remember what are nouns? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Now over here you can see that the shoemaker is cutting the leather and he is making the shoes. First he goes to a leather shop and he buys the leather. He got the money from the rich woman, he buys the leather and then he is cutting the leather. The shoemaker used the coins to buy more leather. That night he cut up the leather for 2 pair of shoes and he left it on the table. Then he went to bed. Okay, now what did the shoemaker do? He cut the leather and he placed them in his shop. Last time he had left only 1 piece of leather. This time he has cut the leather for 2 pair of shoes. Okay, now what are the nouns in this on these pages? Shoemaker is a noun. Okay, coins is a noun, leather is a noun, night is a noun, then shoes is a noun, table is a noun, bed is a noun. Okay, so I hope you have understood all the nouns here. Let's compare the pictures on this page number 50. Now this is picture 1 and this is picture 2. In picture A the shoemaker is happy. In picture B the shoemaker is in picture A the shoemaker is not happy. In picture B the shoemaker is happy. Okay, in picture A there is no cat. In picture B there is a cat. In picture A the shoemaker is holding a piece of leather. In picture B the shoemaker is holding 3 gold coins. Okay, so this is how you compare the pictures. Okay, now the classwork related to page number 16 and 17 is you have to complete the words. We have read these words like this one. First one is leather, so you have to write E. Pears, so you have to write A. Bought, H is missing. Coins, O is missing. Night, G is missing. Money, O is missing. Okay, for the homework, you have to do these two pages, page number 49 and page number 51. What do you have to do on page number 49? Look and read. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. These are the words: wife, surprised, rich, shoes and leather. In the morning, the shoemaker did not find his leather. He found a pair of shoes. He was very surprised. He called to his wife, "Did you make these shoes?" Then a rich woman came into the shop. Now, what do we have to do on page number 51? Look and read. Write yes or no. A poor woman came into the shop. No, it was a rich woman. She loved the shoes. Yes. These are the ugliest shoes in the world. She said no. These are the beautiful shoes in the world. Okay, most beautiful shoes in the world. Okay. She gave the shoemaker 5 gold coins. No, she gave the shoemaker 3 gold coins. Okay, I hope you have understood your today's task. We will meet again tomorrow with a new task. Take care.